Hi guys, welcome back. Debbie here. Thanks for joining me. Well, I've been having a sort through of my bits and bobs because I've got way too much and just don't use most of it. But in the process of that, I've come across this envelope die, this heart die with the word love, and another heart die. So I thought we'll make another Valentine's card. Now, I've cut out the two, as you can see, the different sizes. I cannot for the life of me work out what that slit is across the top. Look, I've got loads of white ones and I've been fiddling and I just cannot work it out. So we're going to use it the opposite way. Excuse me. Right, to do this, this line is a little bit awkward on the bottom. It just wants to bend. So I'm going to use my ruler and just give it a helping hand. Okay, and the others in. They're easy, the other ones, because it's got the scored lines down it. They're easy. Yeah, see, it's got this opening bit. I don't know, can't work it out. Anyway, I'm going to do it on the other side. So whether it's meant to be like that, I don't know. But right, I'm going to glue this down. I don't want much glue on it because we're going to stamp. Over the top of it. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a burnish. Okay, so I've got out my mini misty. It's all lined up. I'm just going to line the stamp in place. Grab my Hero Arts Unicorn White. And I've got a Be Mine stamp. So let's pick that up. Stamp it up. Perfect. And I've cut out a card blank, a card layer, another card layer. This was cut out using this plate die, which I think is very pretty. Originally I was going to go with this one, which all the hearts pop out, but because of what I'm doing I think it's going to be a bit much. A shame because it's very pretty, but I just don't think it's going to go. Okay, so we've got one red heart, another red heart and a black heart. Two more black hearts. I also want the innie bits. What I want to do is layer these up, something like that, and then the innards I want to place back in, so paper piecing basically. So I think we'll do the red one first, and that, and this. Okay, in between all that I want to do some splatter. Now it's red, black and white, so we could either do splatter in black or red. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Or we could do a mixture of both, couldn't we? Why not? Right. A little fan brush. I've got our Rocking Red by Catherine Pooler. A little bit on my mat. A bit of water. That's it. Okay, so we're just gonna like so. Okay, so that's the red. I've just dried it off. I've got out some Spellbinders Raven splattery bags, and we're just going to do exactly the same. I don't want much of the black. Just enough that you can see it. Okay, that's our background. Now I'm going to get this done and I'll be back to show you when we've done it. Okay, so that's all that piece together. So I'll put the black in with the red, the middle in with the love heart, and the black on the red again. I've also added a little love heart to the envelope. Now we just need a little foam square. Just to give that a lift. Now I'm going to have that an angle. Okay, so then all we've got to do is get this on this layer. So I'm just thinking, just let me try something, guys, just to see, just on this other envelope piece. I just want to try. Oh, that's what it'll look like. Yeah, I like that. Right, so I'm going to need a fine brush. And I'm just going to just this middle heart. How are we all doing anyway? Oh, good, I hope. Don't forget, if you're enjoying my videos, guys, I would love a thumbs up or a comment. Even just, hi Debbie, would be awesome. That's that bit. Now, last but not least, I'll just give it that extra oomph, as they say. Right, guys, I'm going to get going I'm going to go and give the dogs the run, and I'll be back to finish this off as soon as it's dried off. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay guys, so that's all dried. As you can see, it's now got a lovely shine in it and a 3D effect. So all that's left is to put it onto our card blank and we're done. So I'll get my tape runner. Glue stick. Show your cards the right way round. I've done that often enough. And then we're just gonna line it up, give a bit of push down, and we're done. There you go guys. I hope you like it. Quite like the cute little envelope. Well, I'm gonna get going. Don't forget, please, excuse me, please give me a thumbs up, comment, even just to say hi Debbie, and come and join our Facebook group, DD Cards. We'd love to have you over there. Until next time, take care. Alright guys, bye.